Next, any financial statements will be prepared considering the principle of materiality and aggregation. Materiality and aggregation. Okay, let's assume a company like Reliance. Okay, Reliance will have, just assume Reliance will be having a turnover of, let's say, at least 1 lakh crores, right? If you take the entire Reliance group. Okay, now if Reliance company is going to list down the expenses in the profit and loss account one by one without aggregating similar heads into one, what will be the state of that financial statements? How many items will be there in the financial statements? Numerous, right? So merely listing the nature of expenses without any logic is not going to help the users in the financial statements. So Ind AS 1 asks you to aggregate similar heads when you disclose it in the financial statements. You have something called office expenses. Within office expenses you might have 100 items, but you have to club it together and show it as one item. Repairs and maintenance. The repairs and maintenance could be for anything and everything. Can you write repairs and maintenance for computer as a one item, repairs and maintenance for, let's say, office furnitures, another item, repairs and maintenance for, let's say, electrical items, another item. So if you keep on writing this, then what will happen? Your financial statements will become very big and it will not serve the purpose, it will not serve any purpose to the users. So aggregation. Similarly, materiality. To decide the aggregation or which all needs to be aggregated, which all should not be aggregated, you have to use the principle of materiality. Okay, a company like Reliance having a turnover of, let's assume, 1 lakh crore need to have a materiality. Anything, let's say, even those items which has got a value of, let's say, 1 crore is not material for Reliance when it has having a turnover of 1 lakh crore. Okay, so materiality and aggregation. Again, that's a fundamental principle, fundamental consideration when you prepare the financial statements.